Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our Rajaguru channel. So very happy to see you all after a long gap. So here, this channel is meant for we are giving ideas and tips to do trading in Bank Nifty options. Okay. So in Bank Nifty index, we have two derivatives, futures and options. So we are not doing with futures. We are doing only with the options. And before going into the video, people you may all surprised that why this fellow is speaking in English, because in all previous videos we used to explain only in Tamil. Okay, so this video I started explaining in English. This is because in most of my videos, most of the comments I am getting that you are giving clear explanation, but we have language problem. We don't know Tamil. Please give explanation in Hindi or English, like that. Many comments I am getting. So I am decided to give further videos and explanation in English. Okay, please follow our channel. Okay, so now today we are going to see how to buy an option. Okay, so it may be call option or put option. So first, how to fix the trend. So trend means we are going to find what is the support and resistance level first. Okay, so at support level of the Bank Nifty, we have to buy call option, that is CE we have to buy. At the resistance point, we have to buy PE, because from the resistance there will be a fall in the Bank Nifty index. Okay, so as well as your PE value will get increased since it is a down market. Okay, so what we are going to do is, today we are going to explain with the help of Fibonacci series, that is Fib retracement, how to find it support and resistance level. Okay, so here what we are going to do is, see, this is the graph we are taken for the explanation, and here this is the October 11th. This is October 11th graph. Okay, so assume that we are going to do trade in 12th October. Okay, so 12th October we are going to trade here. For that, what we have to do is, you have to go to the previous day and draw the Fibonacci. Okay, Fib retracement. Okay, for that, what I am going to do is, see, I am going to click draw, and here I am selecting Fib retracement. Okay, so you can change any color what you like. And here what I am doing, see, I am going to trade in 12th. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I am going previous day, and previous day I am going to draw the Fib retracement. So how I am drawing, see here, that 11th, that high point, that is the day high, I am clicking one click, and I am coming down and clicking to the low of the 11th. Okay, so what I am going to do is, I done is, see here, the previous day I draw the Fib retracement from high to low. Okay, so with this I am going to find what is the support and resistance level, and which option I have to buy. Either I have to buy call option or put option, that I am going to decide. Okay, so after getting this, see, I am giving some zoom here. See, this previous day Fib retracement, this 61.8% and 38.8%, this two value plays a major role here. Okay, so if the current day, that is 12th October, the first candle close value, okay, you can see this is this green candle is the first candle, and you can see here, this is the first candle, and here this is the close value. Okay, so you have to check whether this close value lies above the 61.8 or below the 38.2 of the previous day. Okay, so here we can see this thing lies above, that is 12th October, first candle close value lies above the 61.8 of the previous day. Okay, so with this, what I can declare is, this is clearly uptrend market, because it lies above the 61.8%. Okay, so since it is uptrend market, whether we can buy call option here itself means, no, please don't do that. You have to wait for the support point. Where we will get support means the same 61.8 line you will get support. Okay, see the second, third, fourth, fifth candle. Okay, it is getting some fall and it is getting support at the 61.8% line. Okay, this is the support line. You need to buy a call option. If you buy a call option here, then you will get a market up, so the call option will get increased, and wherever you want you can book the profit. Okay, at the same time, if the first candle close lies below this 38.2, it will be a downtrend market. That time you need to buy a put option, and the point is where the resistance line, that 38.2 point, you need to buy. Okay, so now I am deleting this one. I am going to just one day before. Okay, one day before. Now I am going to do trade for 11th, okay, October 11th. So with that reference I am going with this 8th of, that is Friday, 8th of October. So for this I am going to draw the fib retracement for 8th October from high to low. Here also you can see the 11th October first can close is above 61.8, and also it is exactly at 61.8, and here you no need to buy, you no need to wait for any support, because it is just now came above the 61.8. Now you can directly buy here call option, and it will start increasing, and it is start increasing also. From how many points it will go means from up to plus 138% it may go, or the second target is it may go up to plus 161%. Okay, it is better to book profit at plus 138, or you can wait till plus 161. Above that it is not advisable. Okay, and also we can see one more day. See, this is 7th of October. I am drawing fib retracement for the 7th. With the help of the fib retracement drawn for 7th, I am going to see the support and resistance level for 8th. Here you can see the first candle close lies above the 61.8. This is very good point to buy a call option. Okay, but you can buy here directly. You can wait till 38.2%. If you buy a call option here, it is start increasing, no problem. But it is going decreasing till 38.2, you can wait. Once it goes below 38.2, then that is your exit point. You need to exit. Okay, and it is taking support at 38.2 line, and it is start increasing. It goes to 138, and finally it reaching plus 161. Okay, this is about one. And one more graph we can see. See, people may think that, see, previous day fib retracement we draw, and if it is above 61%, we can go with call option. It is below 38%, we will go with put option. What will happen if it lies between this 61 to 38? That thing we will see here. See, this is the 6th October. So for this graph, I am going to draw fib retracement. Okay. And you may notice that here it is very surprisingly, this first candle close, you can see here, the 7th October first candle close lies below 61.8 line and above 38.2. If a day graph open like this, then that day it should be a consolidation day, that is sideways we will tell. Okay, what will happen? It will come down to 38%. And it will take support, it will go up to 61.8%, it will take resistance, and again it will come down to 38.2, and it will start increasing. Okay, some oscillations may come. Okay, that thing is clearly visualized here. Okay, so using this fib retracement drawn for the previous day, that is yesterday, we can do the trade for today. We can find the support and resistance level. At support level you buy call option, at resistance level you buy put option. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.